Hey everyone, welcome back to Super Top. Today, we're diving into the world of air fryers. These kitchen gadgets have taken the cooking world by storm, promising crispy, delicious food without all the oil and mess of traditional frying. But are they all they're cracked up to be? Let's explore the pros and cons of air fryers so you can decide if this popular appliance deserves a spot on your countertop. Please note that if you're interested in checking out the best air fryers with all the top features, you can find the links to the most recommended products right in the video description. Let's get started. Pros of air fryers. First, let's look at the pros of owning an air fryer. And trust me, there are plenty. The biggest advantage is, of course, the health factor. Air fryers use little to no oil, which means you can enjoy your favorite fried foods with significantly fewer calories and fat. Whether you're making fries, chicken wings, or even desserts, air fryers can give you that crispy texture you love without the guilt. It's a great option for those who want to make healthier choices without giving up on taste. Another big plus is convenience. Air fryers heat up quickly and cook food fast, often cutting cooking times by half compared to traditional ovens. They're perfect for busy weeknights when you want a quick meal without a lot of fuss. Plus, they're super versatile. You can fry, bake, roast, and even reheat leftovers, making them a multifunctional appliance that can replace several other gadgets in your kitchen. Air fryers are also incredibly easy to use. Most models come with preset cooking functions, so all you have to do is press a button and let the air fryer do its thing. And because they're compact, they take up less space than traditional ovens, making them ideal for smaller kitchens or for anyone looking to save space on their countertop. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze with an air fryer. Most of them have removable baskets and trays that are dishwasher safe, so you can enjoy your meal without dreading the cleanup. No more scrubbing pots and pans covered in oil splatters. Remember, if you are interested in purchasing any of the options that have all these positive features, check out the links we left in the video description. You won't regret it. Cons of air fryers. Now let's talk about some of the cons. While air fryers are great for many reasons, they're not without their downsides. One common complaint is the limited cooking capacity. Most air fryers have a relatively small basket, which means they're best for cooking for 1 to 4 people at a time. If you're trying to cook for a large family or prepare big batches of food, you might find the size a bit limiting. However, there are larger models available if you're willing to invest a bit more. Another thing to keep in mind is that while air fryers do a good job of mimicking fried food, the taste and texture aren't always exactly the same as traditional deep frying. Some foods might not get quite as crispy, especially if you're cooking without any oil at all. But for most people, the slight difference in texture is a small trade-off for the health benefits. Air fryers can also be a bit noisy. The fan that circulates the hot air can be louder than you might expect, which isn't usually a deal breaker, but is something to consider if you're sensitive to noise or have a quiet kitchen space. Lastly, air fryers can be a bit of an investment up front. While prices have come down as they've become more popular, good quality air fryers can still be on the pricey side. That said, many people find that the convenience, versatility, and health benefits make them well worth the cost. So there you have it, the pros and cons of air fryers. They offer a healthier way to enjoy fried foods, with the added benefits of convenience, versatility, and easy cleanup. However, they do have some limitations in cooking capacity, and may not always deliver the exact same results as traditional frying. But if you're looking for a way to make delicious, healthier meals quickly and easily, an air fryer could be a fantastic addition to your kitchen. If you're ready to take the plunge and get an air fryer with all the best features, be sure to check out the links to our top recommended products in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and top picks. See you at the next Super Top.